Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at past questions on Junior WAEC. So get your writing materials ready with your calculators, we'll be right back. Convert 142 base 10 to base 6. Now in doing so, we are going to have 142 divided by 6. Okay? 6 into 14 will give us 2, remainder 2. 6 into 22 will give us 3, remainder 4. And 6 into 23 will give us 3, remainder 5. Okay, now 6 into 3 will give us 0, remainder 3. So our 142 base 10 is going to be 3, 5, 4, reading from down to up, base 6. The next question says, express 110,111 base 2 to base 10. Now in doing this, we'll use what we call the expansion method. This will become 1 times 2. First of all, we will not label 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. Okay, now we are going to expand all this. Now 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 we know is 1 times 32. 2 raised to the power 5 will give us 32. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. So that will be 32. Now, 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 will give us 16. Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 3, which is 8. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1, which is 2. Plus anything raised to power 0 mathematically is 1. Okay, don't forget, anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So 2 raised to power 0 will be 1. So this will be 1 times 1. Now 32 times 1 will give us 32 plus 16 plus 8 times 0, 0 plus 4 plus 2 and plus 1. Now adding this up, this and this will give us this, okay, this plus this, 16 plus 4 will give us 20, 20 plus 32 will give us 20 plus 32 will give us 52 plus a 2 will give us 54 plus 1 will give us 55. So our answer will become 55 base 10. The next one says simplify 10 base 2 plus 11 base 2 plus 11 base 2. Now, having this, since they are all addition, we can do 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, but in base 2 we can't have 2, so that will become 10. Okay, since we know that 1 plus 1 in base 2 will give us 10, and 1 plus 0 will give us 0, will give us 1, and 0 plus 1 will give us 1, and 0 plus 0 will give us 0. Okay, now that's for base 2. Now, adding this again, in our 1, 1, since they're all in base 2, don't forget. Okay, now following this, our 1 plus 1 will be 10. So in this point, we are writing 0 and carrying 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 again will give us another 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 again will give us another 0. So this will give us a 1000 base 2. The next one says subtract 111 base 2 from 11110 base 2. Now, since we are subtracting this from this, that means we are having it in this form. Okay, now 0 minus 1 cannot, so we borrow 1 from here to put this at 0. So whatever we are borrowing will be the base number. So borrowing 1 from here will become 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 0 minus 1 cannot, so we borrow from here to make it 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Borrow again from here to make this 0, and this 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. We bring down 1. So our answer will become 10111 base 2. The next one says find the positive difference between 3 over 4 and 2 whole number 2 over 3. First of all, we convert these fractions to mixed improper fractions. Now, to convert 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 3 will give us 15 over 4 minus, since we're looking for difference, 2 times 3, 6, plus 2, 8. 8 over 3. Now, the next thing we are looking at is what's our LCM? Our LCM for 4 and 3 will give us 12. Okay, 4 here, 3. 3 times 15, 45, minus 3 here, 4. 4 times 8, 32. Okay, now 45 minus 32. 5 minus 2 will give us 3. 4 minus 3 will give us 1 over 12. So this will become one whole number, 1 over 12. Our next question says, find the sum of 29, the product of 2 and 9, and the difference between 2 and 9. Now, considering our statement, we have sum, which is addition. 29 plus product, which is multiplication. 2 times 9, and difference, which is subtraction, plus 9 minus 7. Sorry, 9 minus 2. Okay, now this will become 29 plus 18 plus 7, which will give us 29 plus 18. This 29 plus 18 will give us 9 plus 8 will give us 7, carry 1. This will give us 47, plus 7. 7 plus 7 will give us 4, carry 1, 5. So this will give us 54. And next question says, factorize x squared minus 10x plus 25. Now, in factorizing this, we are looking for what are the factors of 25 that will give us 10. Okay, we know that the common factors of 25 are 5. Okay, 5 and 5. Now, since we are looking at 5 times 5 will give us 25. 5 plus 5 will give us 10. Alright? Now, but we are considering a negative. So this will become a minus 5 and a minus 5. So minus 5 times minus 5 will give us a positive 25. Minus 5 plus minus 5 will give us a minus 10. Now, substituting these values for 10, we are going to have it as x squared minus 5x minus 5x plus 25. Okay, now grouping these two together, right? What's common here is x minus, x. All right, if we remove one x from here, we are having x minus 5. What's common here is 5 okay, bracket x minus 5. So you can see we have our terms as x minus 5 and x minus 5. Okay, those are the two factors of our equation. Our next question says, solve the equation h over 1 equals to 18 plus 5h over 7. Now in this, our first step is to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we're having 7h equals to 18 plus 5h. Okay, next thing, the next we are going to do is to collect like terms. And from here, we can see we have 7h on one side and 5h on the other side. So we are going to move this 5h from here over to this side by saying subtract 5h from both sides. So if we subtract 5h from both sides, we are having 7h minus 5h equals to 18 plus 5h minus 5h. So this will cancel out to this, leaving us with 7h minus 5h equals to 18. And 7 minus 5, we know it to be 2. So 2h equals to 18. So divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. This becomes 2h over 2 equals to 18 over 2. So our h equals to 9. If you've watched up to this moment, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the link with friends. You can follow us also on Facebook, on our Facebook page at Mathematics Simplified. Our next question says, solve simultaneously the following questions. Now, in this, we have a equals to 5 minus 2b, and this we have 5a plus 2b equals to 1. Now, for us to solve simultaneously, we have to make both our coefficients and our constants to be on same side. Now, this becomes, in moving this becomes a plus 2b equals to 5, equation 1, and 5a plus 2b equals to 1, equation 2. Now we can now solve simultaneously. Okay, now since we have a common term b, 2b, we can easily cancel out by subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So 5a minus a will give us 4a. 2 minus 2 will cancel out, leaving us with 1 minus 5, which will give us minus 4. So therefore, a equals to minus 4 over 4, which will give us a minus 1. Now the value of our a is minus 1. Now substituting minus 1 into any of these equations, okay, let's use equation 1, which gives us a plus 2b equals to 5. Now for a, we'll replace with minus 1. Alright, so this will become minus 1 plus 2b equals to 5. Alright, so 1 going over will become plus. We have 2b equals to 5 plus 1. So 2b equals to 6. So b equals to 6 over 2, which will give us 3. So the value of our a is minus 1 and the value of b is 3. Our next question says, find the value of x in the diagram below. Now, we all know that this is a triangle, okay? And in the triangle, the sum of angles in the triangle equals to 180. That means angle A plus B plus C equals to 180. Alright, now in this we are going to have it as 45 plus 2x plus 30 plus 90 minus x equals to 180. Alright, now in doing this, let's collect our lengths. 45 minus 45 plus 30 will give us 70. 70 plus 90 will give us 165. So this will give us a 165 plus 2x minus x will give us x equals to 180. So our x equals to 180 minus 165. Okay, x will give us 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 6, 1. Our x will be 15 degrees. Okay, now let's see if our answer is correct. If our x is 15 degrees, so this will become 45 plus 2x, which is 15 times 2, 30. 30 plus 30 will give us 60. 60 plus 90 minus 15 will give us a 75. Okay, so let's add up all this to see if we are having 180. This plus this is 100. 5 plus 75 will give us 80. So this will give us 180, which makes our answer correct. How many sides has a regular polygon whose sum of interior angles is 540 degrees? Now we know that for sum of interior angles, we have our formula as n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees. Okay, now at this moment we are looking for the value of n. Alright, so we can, since we are given the sum of our interior angles as 540, this will become 540 equals to, opening this bracket, 180n minus 360. Okay, now next thing we are going to do, we are going to collect our like terms. These two are common, alright, they are without an n, so we'll move 360 over to this other side, that is add 360 to both sides. This will become 540 plus 360 equals to 180n. Okay, now 540 plus 360, 0 plus 0 will give us a 0. 6 plus 4 will give us a 10 rather than 0, carry 1. 8 plus 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So 900 equals to 180n. So our n will become 900 divided by 180. And 900 divided by 180 will give us a 5. Okay, so the value of n will be 5. We've come to the end of today's tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification button for more updates on our Junior WAEC questions. And also follow us on our Facebook page at Mathematics Simplified.